Once upon a time, in a bustling meadow, lived Ant and Grasshopper. Ant, a diligent worker, spent sunny days gathering food for the winter, while Grasshopper preferred to play and enjoy the warmth. One bright day, Grasshopper teased Ant, "Why work so hard? The sun is shining and the food is abundant." But Ant continued to toil, knowing winter was on the horizon. As winter arrived, the meadow turned icy and cold. Grasshopper, now hungry and cold, regretted not preparing. He approached Ant, shivering, and asked for help. Ant, though tired from his hard work, shared his food with Grasshopper. "I worked hard when the sun shone, and now I can share with you. But remember, it's wise to plan for the future," Ant advised. Grasshopper learned a valuable lesson about the importance of hard work and planning. From that day on, he joined Ant in preparing for the changing seasons, realizing that a combination of work and play leads to a well-balanced life in the meadow. And so, the two friends faced the seasons together, their friendship stronger and wiser.